In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an animation in Canva. First, open your Canva design. You will see your canvas with all the elements you have added. This is where your creativity comes to life. Make sure you have the design you want to animate open on your screen. This is important because it sets the stage for the animations you will be applying. Once you have your design open, you are ready to select the element you wish to animate. Next, click the element you want to animate. This could be a text box, an image, or any graphic you have included in your design. When you click on the element, you will notice that it becomes highlighted. This visual cue shows you that the element is selected. This step is crucial as it tells Canva which part of your design you want to bring to life with animation. Once you have selected the element, you can move on to the next step. Now, click Animate in the top toolbar. This button is usually situated at the top of your screen, making it easy to find. Once you click on it, a variety of animation options will appear in a drop-down menu. This feature is vital because it allows you to choose how you want your selected element to move or appear. You'll see a range of styles, and this is where the fun really begins. Choose an animation style from the options available. You'll see choices like fade, rise, pan, breathe, pop, and slide. Each animation style has a unique effect. For example, fade makes your element gradually appear or disappear, while rise gives it a bouncing effect as it enters the screen. This choice is essential because the animation style you select can greatly influence the impact of your design. Take your time to explore these options and find the one that fits your vision best. After you have selected your animation style, it's time to adjust the animation settings if available. Depending on the animation you chose, there may be settings for speed, direction, and timing. Speed determines how quickly the animation plays, while direction can influence how the element enters or exits the screen. Timing allows you to set when the animation starts, either on click or automatically. These adjustments are important because they help fine-tune the animation to fit your design perfectly. Once you've made your adjustments, take a moment to review your settings. Ensure everything looks good and reflects your creative intent. This step is essential because it allows you to preview how your animation will look in the final design. You want to be sure that it aligns with your vision before finalizing it. Now, you can preview your animation to see how it plays. Click the play button or the preview option to watch your animated element in action. This is a crucial moment as it gives you a chance to see your hard work come to life. If you are happy with the result, you can move forward. However, if you feel adjustments are necessary, don't hesitate to go back and tweak your settings. Lastly, make sure to save your design. Click on the Save button in the top right corner to ensure all your changes are stored. This is important because it makes sure your hard work is not lost. Now you have successfully created an animation in Canva. With these steps, you're well on your way to enhancing your designs with engaging animations. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting.